Retail trading platform eToro debuting on the NASDAQ during yesterday's session. The IPO priced at $52 per share. It opened at $69.69, up 34% from that IPO price. It closed up 29% at $67 per share. Joining us right now, first on CNBC, is Yoni Assia, is the eToro's founder and CEO. Congratulations to you. Big morning. Big morning.
Amazing
I should say
morning.
yesterday was your big morning, but maybe you needed to wait till the end of the day to feel it.
Absolutely amazing, an amazing experience. Going public, passionate about capital markets since I was 13 years old and started trading. 18-year journey of building eToro, and it's amazing to see eToro now trading on eToro.
Tell us a little bit about the journey, because, you know, there was a point at which you were going to go public through a SPAC back in 2021. That didn't happen. Now you're finally here. How important was it for you to go public in terms of raising capital? What are you going to be doing with that capital? Where's this all go?
Well, eToro's changed its strategy in 2022 to profitable growth. We've significantly scaled profitability, making more than $300 million of adjusted EBITDA last year. And what we learned in 2022 is that it's important as a public company to be profitable, as we saw in 22 when the markets went through a downturn, how companies that were valued just on revenue multiple got hit. So I think it was a great process for us learning about public markets through the SPAC process. And I think we made the right decision to wait longer, to transition to company towards profitability, and to go public now. And it's truly an amazing experience to meet the top investors from all around the world in the last couple of weeks here traveling in the U.S.
How tied is your business at this point, do you think, to cryptocurrency and maybe more importantly, even Bitcoin? Meaning, do you think that people, in terms of how they consider the valuation of your company, is going to be basically a crypto play?
So last year, first of all, we were very early on to crypto. I started buying Bitcoin at $5 for eToro's treasury. We were the first regulated company in Europe to launch cryptocurrency trading at $5. $5? $50,000 became $50 million before my board told me I have to sell it. It's not our business. Vitalik, the founder of Ethereum, actually was in our offices before Ethereum.
That board?
Maybe. But really an amazing experience seeing crypto from where it was to what it is today. I think nobody doubts that crypto is here to stay. It's a new type of capital markets thriving around the world. Outside the U.S., we have more than 130 different crypto assets trading. But nonetheless, we are passionate about capital markets and the stock markets. So at the dinner with Warren Buffett, he actually convinced me to focus more on stocks and less on crypto. But we love both. Last year, 25% of our revenues were crypto and 75% were stock markets. Our customers from all around the world buying stocks from more than 20 different stock markets.
Yanni, when you sit around and put up a whiteboard of just your competitor set, do you think of them more in the Coinbase category, the Robinhood category, the E-Trade category, or something totally else at this point?
I think, a lot of the neo-brokers, new companies like eToro, we're eventually targeting the largest transformation of wealth, generational transformation of wealth in history. $84 trillion are going to move from older generations to newer generations just in the U.S. $60 trillion are going to move from older generations to newer generations just in Europe, in our core markets. So I think we're all targeting eventually where the real assets, this huge amount of money that right now is sitting in banks, in insurance policies, and that's the real transition of our generation amassing wealth and managing their funds with digital native solutions with eToro, investing in the global markets.
Long term for your company, I mean, obviously you want to be an independent company. Do you think that you acquire everybody else, or do you think the big guys come and try to acquire you?
I think historically brokerage is a consolidating market. If you look at the market, the e-brokerage 1.0, which I grew on, consolidated locally with Morgan Stanley buying E-Trade and Schwab buying TD, and the same happened across the globe. Right. I think this time this happens globally. And, we've met so many amazing founders and teams across the years in this 18-year journey. And I hope some of them join eToro.